Looking to improve cooling efficiency in your WRX or STI? This is the Subtle Solutions Radiator Shroud. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me I have the Subtle Solutions Radiator Shroud. Now this is going to be specific for the 02 to 07 Impreza, WRX, and STI. Now as you can see, of course, you have the Subtle logo kind of engraved. It's almost like a negative in the blue powder coat here. Now the whole thing is powder coated front and back, and this is going to be pretty much a direct install, if you will, because basically you're going to reuse all your factory radiator mounts for this, and it clears everything up there. But the whole point of this, well, you've got two. One is just for looks, because it does look very, very cool. Now, of course, they come in a few different colors, but the main point of this is to block off escapes, air escapes. What would you call that? Escape paths for the air. Because what happens is as air comes and hits the radiator, it's going to want to go up and around because it's going to take the path of least resistance. Now, the whole point of these is to create a high pressure zone in front of the radiator by blocking off those normal escape paths, so air is forced to go through the radiator, thereby making your cooling system more efficient and more effective. Now, it's not going to be a night and day difference, but heat management is huge, especially when it comes to, you know, track cars or you guys out there who drive in very high heat, because anything you can do to keep coolant temps where they need to be is going to be critical, and this piece will actually help with that. And by doing it pretty simply, plus it's very lightweight, it looks good, it's very simple to install, and it is very, very effective. It's just also nice when you pop your hood and you see that nice cover, because looking at the radiator and kind of all those gaps is pretty ugly, to be perfectly honest with you. So adding something like this can just make the engine bay look a lot more easy to look at, if you will. But definitely check it out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box. See you guys next time.